In this video, we'll be editing your gift cards in your Shopify store. From the home page, go down to the bottom left, select Settings. Select Gift Cards, midway down the left-hand side on the sidebar menu. Here you have default expiration, the settings that you currently have on your store. By default, we have gift cards never expire. They send by default, which is turned off, and then Apple Wallet Passes has been activated. We've set this up previously in another video. We're refilming it here for an update. To edit them, select Edit, top right-hand corner. Default expiration is gift cards never expire. Be sure to look up what your rules are with gift cards. In the United States, there are very specific rules, and by default, it's safe to select them as they will never expire. You can select Send Gift Card Now when manually entering gift cards, and have that be pre-selected. We will not have that activated. Activate your Apple Wallet Passes for gift cards. That makes it so that your customer can download it and it will populate in their Apple Wallet on their Apple device. Edit your Apple Pass header to reflect your brand and your company name. Select your card color for what the background color will be for your Apple Pass. You can either input the hex code or use the slider to find the palette in line with your brand guidelines. Select the next card for your text color, and then the third card for a secondary text color. Upload a custom logo. Be sure to follow Shopify's guidelines for the size recommendations of 90 pixels by 90 pixels. That will make it so that your logo will populate correctly within an Apple device and give your brand a refined professional look. Using a custom banner, again, make sure you follow Shopify's size recommendations of 1125 pixels by 432 pixels. You select and choose the file from within your computer or device, upload it, and then it will populate here in your Apple Pass where you can preview it. Once you're done, select Close and continue with setting up your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online.